Hey, so I'm Sandra, and I own the Encinitas Fully Promoted store. And today I'm going to get some training on the forehead machine. It's a Brother 1204, and I'm having some issues with a few of my heads and a lot of those needles not coming down. So I think it's a timing issue or whatever, and so I'm going to be getting some training today. I'm videotaping this for all of my sisters out there in the sorority or the fraternity, sorry guys, on how to fix these problems yourself. So what I've done is we're gonna start off with head number 3. We've taken off the covers, the front covers for the first two, the plates that are to the sides of head number 3. And so right now what we're gonna do is actually cut the threads. So as you can see, I took off this cover, I took off this cover, and then over here I took off that plate that's usually here. So what we're going to do is, where do I cut? Right here? Mm-hmm. Yeah, so we're going to kind of cut these threads off. Sorry, I know it's a lot of work here, but we got to kind of cut everything out. And then pull them out. Mm-hmm. So we got to pull all the threads out of here. Believe it or not, all this work, but it'll all be great at the end. And my dog wants to join us. This is Henry. Hi, Henry. He just wants to be a superstar. Can you go play with your toys? Where's your toy, honey? All right. He just wants to be here. He says, Mommy's here, so I want to be here. Oops. Yeah. Okay, so all the threads are out of here. This one's just... Okay, so excuse me one second while I throw away all these threads. And we're going to get going.
Okay, can you pause? I don't want to